Hey guys, my name is Kelly. I'm a full-time reseller. My Poshmark and Instagram are both rebel_rose_co. Today I'm just gonna do a quick thrift haul. I'm not wearing any makeup. It's hot and I literally just don't want to. I'm not gonna put on makeup for like a 10-minute video. So you're here for the clothes, not for makeup. So I am gonna get started. First brand is sold at Anthropologie. It is Corey Lynn Coulter. When I saw the tag, I knew it was something nice. It's 100% silk, this little wrap, floral. It's like a little bit of a peplum at the end. It's very cute. Yeah, their dresses retailed for almost $300. I'm probably gonna list this at like $50 and just see. But yeah, it has really cute little puffy sleeves too, so I was super happy to find that. Akimi and Kin. And this is sold at Anthropologie. This doesn't retail for a whole lot, but I've never found this brand before. It's this kind of like crochet eyelet detailing. It has these dolman sleeves that are cinched. I hope I can find a stock photo for this. It doesn't look super cute like this, but on the person, it would look really cute. So yeah, I'm excited to find that. I don't pick up everything from Anthropologie. Next is Lucky Brand. It's just this floral shirt, kind of like a peasant style. It has ruching here. It's just super cute, very fall toned. It's not fall yet, but I just thought this was so cute. So the next item, it's unbranded and no size. I think it's just from Amazon or Wish or whatever. You see ads for them everywhere. It's those yoga pants that are supposed to make your butt look super good. And I'm guessing these are probably for a size small. Yeah, not something I would have picked up if they were more than like $2, but they were cheap, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna try that out since that's like trending or whatever. Brand that I don't normally pick up, but this is just a really cute piece. It's just exhilaration, not something I would normally pick up, but it's like a rainbow confetti fuzzy. Yeah, I'm like sweating just looking at this. But that's really cute, so I figured $20 for that. So we've got Free People Beach. That's what the tag looks like. This is like one of their common thermals. This is really cute. I kind of want to keep this, but I'm not going to. It buttons down, it's ribbed, it has pockets. Very cute. It does have pilling, but also a lot of their stuff is kind of like made that way. So this next one is Betsy Johnson. There's the tag. The sleeves are really cute. They're like little cap sleeves. It's just like a sheath dress, like midi length probably, like a good work dress. Just very classy, very nice. I haven't looked up comps for that. I'm not sure if I've ever sold Betsy Johnson, but maybe like 40, but I haven't looked it up, so I'm not sure. Next is Cut Loose. It's like this asymmetrical sort of baby doll top. Let me see if it's made out of anything special. They have a lot of like linen, good quality items. Oh, the tag's gone, but it doesn't feel like linen. I bet modal. It's because it's very soft, and this brand can do pretty well. I'm probably gonna list this at $30. This is the brand Kuhl, Kuhl. It's like a outdoorsy, athletic, like hiking kind of brand. It's this cowl neck sweatshirt. It has pockets. It has the brand right here. This is a really nice brand. This will probably sell for $30 maybe? We'll see. So this next brand, this is sort of an experiment. It's Neon Buddha, and I had heard this brand in another reseller's YouTube video, and they were talking about how it sells for so much, and I had got a pair of leggings by them, and they were listed for like 2 years. I relisted them, lowered the price. They were like $5 at one point, and they would not sell, so I sent them into Thredup. But apparently some people make a lot of money selling this brand, so I didn't make any money, but this piece was more unique than like a basic pair of gray yoga pants. It's like a purple asymmetrical ruffle long sleeve top, and the buttons are so cool. Some of them are keys. They're all different buttons, and they have keys. They have like really unique stuff. I just thought this was very unique, so we're gonna try this out, and if it doesn't sell, then I'm not gonna pick up Neon Buddha again. It's just a pair of Theory dress pants, not super exciting. They're wool. This is something that I would have sent into Thredup and probably gotten like a $60 payout, but I'm not getting labels right now. So I'm gonna list them, maybe get 30, probably gonna sit. I don't sell dress pants super well, but actually in my last What Sold video, I sold a bunch of wool dress pants, which is super not normal for me. So I'm gonna link that up above if anybody wants to watch my last What Sold video. Next is another Betsy Johnson item. This is a scrub top, which I didn't know they made those. Has a cute little lace up detail here, some pockets. Pretty basic, probably 25. If you're still watching, that really means a lot to me. If you could give this video a thumbs up and a comment, that really means a lot to me. Every engagement, interaction, even if it's just a like or a comment, tells the algorithm that people are actually watching my videos, and also the longer you watch the video, that also helps me. So I appreciate anybody who watches my videos, especially when I look like this. Okay, the next item is Free People. I'll get like a mock neck sweater. It's ribbed. It has that like lettuce hem, whatever you want to call it, and it's just a pretty basic piece. It's like, I think it's supposed to be like this because Free People like just purposefully distresses a lot of their stuff, but it's like raw hem here. I think it's supposed to be like that. I don't know. I'm not super into them like overly distressing their stuff, but okay, this was a new brand to me. Clara Sun Woo, made in the USA. I'm pretty sure it's just polyester. It's like this pretty ombre shirt, and it gathers in the front. It's just really nice. This would be a great like workwear item for somebody, and these retailed for a pretty decent amount. Can't remember if they were sold at Anthropologie or just like a random website, but they're pretty expensive, so that is a good brand to look out for. This I think is vintage. Rhea Sun. Definitely looks vintage. It's 100% rayon. I just thought it was cool. It's embroidered. It's like a chambray. It's very soft. It's not like thick denim. And it's this like floral embroidered print. I just thought this is really cute. Next item I'm so excited for, it's Prairie Underground. And this brand I've only found one other time. It was just a basic tank top and it sold for $30 super fast. It's made in the USA. It's made of hemp and organic cotton. Prairie Underground. It's this like army green, like drapey jacket. It has 3 ties, so I think you can tie it multiple ways. It has these like stripes. This gives me like military vibes. Next is a pair of 7 for All Mankind Josephina jeans. This brand, hit or miss for me. So I think I actually have a pair of the Josephina ones listed, so we'll see, but these are just basic skinny jeans. This brand probably retails, those probably retailed for $220. Resale, maybe $40, we'll see. I have sold that brand for a lot on Thredup, but I can't send it in. So this is Eileen Fisher. It's just these white casual pants. I mean, I guess they could be dressed up. They are very sheer though, so I'll have to mention that in the listing. These could be like good for like the beach or something, but they're see-through. So it's Giorgio Armani. This brand sits for me on Poshmark and it does really well on Thredup. I've sold multiple pieces for almost $200. And yeah, it's just a pair of black pants. I'm gonna list it on Poshmark. I doubt it's even gonna get like 1 like. I have a bunch of Giorgio Armani listed. I think Poshmark is the right demographic for that. So we'll just see how that does. Next is Marine Layer. It's this like, kind of like a t-shirt shift dress. It feels, I don't know how to describe it. It almost feels like suede and it almost feels like silk. But I don't think I think it's neither. It's Cupro viscose. It's like, you know when silk sometimes has that like stiff feeling? This isn't stiff, but it also has like a weirdly almost suede feel. I don't know. This is a really expensive brand though. I only found it one time before. Okay, we've got an Eileen Fisher tank top, just a basic white tank top. I actually have a ton more of these. One person donated like a gazillion tank tops. They all had stains, so I am trying to get them removed. They're turning out pretty good, and I had a black one that I got, and it sold for $25, and it's just a cotton tank top, so I was happy with that. This is another Eileen Fisher. Eileen Fisher is also another good brand that sells on Thredup. There's the tag. This is just like a sheer knit sweater. It does have a couple pulled threads. I don't see, oh, here we go. Oh, it's 100% linen. Okay. So linen, sheer sweater, happy with that. We've got an Eileen Fisher white shirt. Pretty sure it's organic cotton. Super nice, basic. Someone had donated all their basic Eileen. This is not a special brand. I think this might be Junior's. It's Justify, but I just thought it was really cute. It says, it's just like a basic sweatshirt, but it has a little flower and it says Iconic embroidered in it. So I just thought that was really cute. Very trendy. Next is another item from the brand Cool, K-U-H-L. These would be like good hiking pants. They're like kind of cargo style. They're in good condition. So yeah, their stuff usually does pretty well. Next is the brand Rock Revival. These are very similar to Miss Me jeans. They're very embellished. So yeah, very embellished. They always have this white threading. These are the pockets. So those should do pretty well. Next is a cabbie coat. I've been finding so many nice cabbie coats. I just sold the ones that I had found, which is nice because they're very bulky. This is blue and white. I can't think of the word to even describe this. Not paisley. It's like kind of regal looking. I don't know. It has like a regal looking button too. So polyester, wool, acrylic. But yeah, this is a really nice coat. Hopefully it'll sell quick like the other ones. I have another coat here. This is Jack, which is Jack by BB Dakota, I believe. It is white. It's just polyester, but it's like a white trench coat. It has a belt. It has pockets. It's pretty long. That brand doesn't do amazing for me, but I thought that was really cute, and I think that will sell. So this is pretty unique. It has no brand, no size. I think somebody hand knit this. It's like a little halter tank top, and this is giving me those Y2K 90s retro vibes that everybody's wearing. Yeah, there's no tags on it. I don't know if it's wool or just cotton or what, but yeah, it has like a rolled hem, and I'm 99% sure somebody just handmade this. So yeah, this is very trendy. Okay, we're almost done. One more cut loose piece. I believe this is linen. It feels like linen. Let me look it up and then I'll show you the item. Some of their stuff, I can't tell if it's shirts or dresses because their shirts are all really long. Okay, it's cotton and linen. This is a shirt. It's like a high-low hem, striped. Just super cute basic, but it'll do well. Next is a pair of the North Face hiking shorts. Super nice. I wish these had fit me. Super cute. Just basic shorts. Yeah, I wish these had fit me. I've been into hiking lately. I have a bunch of vlogs if you like that kind of stuff. This is Billabong. This brand was so in when I was in high school. It's like a sleeveless ruched floral long sleeve off the shoulder dress. Pretty cute. Next is just a pair of American Eagle distressed shorts. These will go pretty well. Everybody loves American Eagle shorts. I would love to find these in my size. They're very cute. We've got one more. Okay, this is the last item. One more Eileen Fisher organic cotton white tank top. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched the whole way through, I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me, so see you next time.